So hi everybody, and welcome to the next episode of Life with Zach. Today I want to highlight this event that I went to earlier this week at the Page Valley Fair. And it was the Skid Steer Rodeo, which was held on Sunday, August 22nd, 2021. And what I'm going to be doing is playing highlights from the Skid Steer Rodeo in the background so you can take a look at those. Now the purpose of this rodeo is to showcase the skills of various skid steer operators in terms of providing these unique opportunities to test their abilities to do things with kind of fine motor skills versus maybe what you might think about just lifting heavy things, and to really show how much effort and how much training and ability it requires to operate these pieces of machinery. Now, this rodeo featured 11 contestants who would compete in 4 different stations, and I'm going to talk about later. Now, the Page Valley Fair is technically called the Page Valley Agricultural and Industrial Fair. It's held in Luray, Virginia, this year from August 21st through the 22nd, and is held about the same time every year. Now, these 4 stations that the individuals competed in was the tire stack, where basically there were 5 tires of various sizes, 3 larger ones that were the same size and 2 smaller ones. They had to stack the 3 big ones on top of each other, then the next smallest one, and then finally the smallest one, but they had to turn that one and stack it basically up and down. There was a station where they had to take one of the skid steers that had basically a large metal ball attached on a canvas sling, and use that to knock tennis balls and basketballs off the top of some cones. They had to take a stand-up skid steer and pick up 2 pieces of PVC pipe and lower them into a bucket with another piece of PVC pipe. And then the final one was a station where they had to do 2 things. First, they had to pick up this barrel that was on a pallet, move it, and then set it on top of another barrel that was sitting on the ground. And they had to then pick up a basketball with the forks of the skid steer and then put it into a bucket. Now, I was really impressed. The winner of this contest did it total under 5 minutes, so that takes a whole lot of skill to be able to do that. And I had a wonderful time just watching this competition to see these individuals do it. So I'm going to follow up with some additional videos, so keep watching. I hope you enjoy some of this footage from the Skid Steer Rodeo. If you do, hit like, leave a comment with any feedback, and subscribe, as there will be other things like this coming out soon. So like I said, stay tuned, don't click out of this, keep watching, and you'll see more footage from the Skid Steer Rodeo.
45 seconds.